Hello, you guys. Well, here we have this pile of mess. This is what happens when I go to my mother's over the weekend. I accumulate all this. Plus I take laundry over to her house because she has a washer and dryer. Food. And this lovely mess I have going on here as well.
Now you will face the only Wabon style double Kodachi go home.
And this. I have to organize Riley's diapers. Organize this. All of that over there. And there she is. But yeah, I really have to deep clean this place, you guys, because we will be moving soon. And so we need to downgrade on things and throw out things we don't need. Like, I don't know what this corner is. This corner became the throw the shit in there. Like, that's basically what that is. I have to shred those papers over there. I have that mess here. I can't. Let's get this cleaning video started. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to start with the laundry just because it is the most easiest thing for me to do, and due to that fact I put it off to the last minute. So this time around I decided to tackle it first and get it out of the way, have it in my closet and my drawers. I then progressed to the living room in order for me to set up for the next day. Currently in this clip, I think it's maybe like around 11 or 12 o'clock at night. And it is the only time that I am literally by myself and able to do everything without giving my daughter my full attention. My dishes were piling up, you guys, so I decided that it was time to just tackle that as well. I also needed to use a clean bottle for Riley, and I didn't have one, so perfect excuse to go and wash my dishes. This organizer is never organized. It always happens to catch things that don't even belong in there. So I took things out and I decided that I wanted to donate some of Riley's some of her towels and some of her washcloths, because we don't use a lot of them. We actually have like a lot. So I just decided to donate them. And here you will see me sweeping the area. Thank God I moved that, because guys, it was gross in there. It's the next day, and of course we're doing some more dishwashing. I feel like that chore never ends. There's always a bottle, a dish, a cup, or something to wash. while since I organized underneath our bathroom sink and our medicine cabinet, so I went ahead and did all of that, threw away things that we didn't need, things that were expired, and things that just obviously didn't belong in there. I hate cleaning the toilet, but I actually love using the Clorox wand cleaner for it. I don't know, I find it much more sanitary than using the old toilet cleaner. Here I'm just sweeping the living room and bathroom, and I am actually moving the refrigerator and cleaning behind there. Thank God I did, because again, that was also disgusting back there. I tend to neglect that area because it's just a hassle to move the fridge forward and then back into place, so I'm cleaning the top surface of our chest, and I'm also cleaning the mirror and organizing everything on top so that it is neatly put away. I am decluttering and organizing Riley's clothes. She is growing like a weed lately and is outgrowing all of her clothes, so I'm moving all of her 6 to 9 months and 9-month outfits all up to the first 2 drawers, and then leaving her bigger sizes in the last 2 drawers. All of the clothes that she is no longer wearing, I do donate it so that I don't feel bad that she used these clothes maybe like once or twice, maybe 3 times. So that is what I do with her clothes. Maybe every 3 months or so I'll go in and reorganize everything and make sure that all her clothes fit. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of my living room. This is how it's looking like, and I'll only be showing you guys the living room for now because Riley is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up. But yes, this is how the living room is looking like, and honestly, it looks way better than before. Obviously, there is nothing on the chimney anymore. Took all the stuff that was there and just left, you know, some decorating pieces. That umbrella right there. And here we have Riley's high chair. Took down what was in the table that doesn't need to be in there. My little wall over here. This space became less cluttered, as well as the little nursery section over here. Here's where I keep my ring light and any other like stuff I need to use for YouTube. I also put like some of Riley's toys over here. I make sure that like when she's crawling on the floor that she's nowhere near the ring light, or that I put the ring light in the room so that I don't have to worry about her knocking it down. Kitchen all clean. I did a lot of dishes, you guys, but if you have a baby, you know the struggle. But yeah, this is how my living room is looking like, and I hope it stays like this because it is wonderful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!